Seperti Bantido Lingdo. Tomorrow is a big day for India. 127 athletes will be participating for India. So, in a small way, Meghalaya also, sports department, government of Meghalaya State Olympic Association, we are all come here and request you, the media, thank you very much. Request you, the media, also to promote for the next 2 weeks, cheer for India. So I request Honorable Minister just few words before we cut the ribbon.
I would like to thank especially our Honorable Prime Minister of India for supporting Team India for the Olympics. At the same time also, our Union Sports Minister Anurag Ji and the previous Sports Minister also, Mr. Kiran Rijiju, for being supporting of our state in different aspects of sports. At the same time also, I would like to thank all the youth of our state, because without youth we cannot move forward. Youth is a future of a state, and I wish all the best for the Team India to success to bring medal for the state as a whole. And thank you for our Honorable Chief Minister also for supporting. He should have been with us, but he's coming from Tura, from Garo Hills. He'll be late, that's why we are doing this program. So thank you once again.